Happy Wednesday, everybody. Today's topic is what happens when you don't get enough electrolytes. Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to Real Life Wednesday, where we talk about the everyday struggles of keto and carnivore and how to fix them. Today's real life truth, if you're not getting enough electrolytes, your body will let you know. So when you cut carbs, insulin drops, and that's good, but it also tells your kidneys to dump sodium and water. And when sodium goes, so does potassium and magnesium. That's why you hear people talk about the keto flu. Here's how it shows up in real life and which electrolyte is usually behind it. Low sodium is responsible for headaches, fatigue, feeling lightheaded when you stand up, or that hungover without drinking sensation. Potassium, it's usually leg cramps, muscle weakness, and sometimes heart palpitations or fluttering. Magnesium, muscle twitches, restless legs at night, poor sleep, and even anxiety-like symptoms. So if those sound familiar, remember you're not broken, you're just low in minerals. Here's how to fix it. So for sodium, most experts recommend 2 to 3 grams daily, and that's about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt added to your food or using an electrolyte mix. For potassium, aim for about 2 to 3,000 milligrams daily from meat, salmon, avocados, and leafy greens. For magnesium, about 3 to 400 milligrams daily from nuts, seeds, dark chocolate. And if you're carnivore, just get a good supplement. I use magnesium glycerate at night before I go to bed. So a client of mine nearly quit keto, because she thought the diet was making her sick. She was dizzy, exhausted, and cramping at night. It turns out she wasn't salting her food at all, and once she added electrolytes and magnesium before bed, 2 days later she said, "I feel like a human again." So if you're dragging, cramping, twitching, or feeling off, it's probably not the diet, it's your electrolytes. Fix those and your energy, mood, and sleep will thank you. And if you're brand new to this, my ebook, Keto Made Simple, includes a full section on the keto flu and how to prevent it. It's complete with practical tips and checklists so you don't get blindsided. You'll find the link below. Like this video if you ever had the keto flu, and share it with a friend who's struggling, and let me know if in the comments which electrolyte symptoms hit you the hardest. For me, it's leg cramps at night. I'll see you tomorrow for Biohack Thursday.